Here are the 3 fastest and easiest ways to do your manicure at home. So let's start by one of the quickest ones. Press-on nails. Press-on nails are definitely one of the fastest ways to get your manicure done without any drying time. All you have to do is prepare your nails. You can gently file them and apply something like acetone, a nail dehydrator, alcohol, or even vinegar that will help to remove the oil from the nails and make the fake nails last longer. After, simply apply nail glue on the fake nails and on your nails. Always a very thin layer of glue. Press them on and wait for about 15 to 20 seconds or follow the brand instructions for your nails. And you're done! No drying time for these press-on nails. This is not my favorite way to do my nails because I hate to remove them after. Removing fake nails in a very healthy way can be very time-consuming for me. But now, let's get into the second way. The second way to get your nails done quickly are nail wraps. And this is actually one of my favorite ways to get my nails done quickly. Nail wraps are like stickers for your nails. You just apply them and you're done. This is one of the easiest ways and quickest ways as well. Another option is using water nail decals, the ones that cover the full nail. In this case, you need to put the nail decal in the water for a couple of seconds and then apply it to your nails. Put it in the right place, add the top coat and file the excess. Done! You can have beautiful nails in a few minutes. And you can use both a normal top coat or a gel top coat for this method. The third method is actually if you want to get some nail art on your nails. And they are done with nail stickers to be fast and quick. This way will take a little more time than the other ways because you still need to paint your nails with normal polish or gel polish. But it will still be much quicker if you want to get a nail art without having to draw them. Simply apply the sticker or the nail decay and apply a top coat to make it last longer. Now, if you're someone who wants to learn more on how to apply fake nails like a pro to make them last a long time, you need to watch my next video where I will teach you the best tricks to make your fake nails last a long time.